Hello, besties. Do you know that egusi soup you normally eat in the restaurant and you felt you cannot make it? Come closer. Let me teach you how to make it. Now, I added my oil in a pan and I've added onions. I'm just going to wait for it to caramelize. And then I'm going in with my scotch bonnet and my red bell pepper. Yes, red bell pepper. Because I'm not going to be using scotch bonnet all for this. It's going to be too hot. So you don't want to do that. You have to use red bell pepper. We'll let our pepper fry for about 2 minutes and then we're going in with our egusi paste. Now in this paste, I added just a little bit of my meat stock. You can use ordinary water if you want. If you have enough meat stock, you can use it. But I prefer to use my meat stock so at that way I will be able to, mind the water I'm adding into my soup. So today I didn't have enough meat stock, but I used, some of it for the paste. So it's just getting the egusi, the dry egusi, putting the meat stock in it and turning it, making a paste out of it. And then I placed it just like so you're seeing it. I placed it like as if I was putting akara into the oil. Don't allow it to scatter. Yes, you heard me. Don't allow it to scatter yet. You're going to put those you're going to allow it to fry a little bit so that it can form, it can be very thick before you start turning it gradually. All right. The next thing we're going to go in with is our crayfish. This crayfish is going to be divided into two. I just want a little bit crayfish in the egusi. That's why I added a little bit. So I'm going to add this little bit and I'm going to give it a very good stir. All right. We're adding it here just because of the flavor, nothing more. We're going to stir this and allow it to boil. Give it a good boil and then we'll come back to it. My egusi has been on fire for 7 minutes with continuous stirring. It's been frying for over 7 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead with my protein. In my protein, I already boiled my dry fish and stockfish. For today's soup, I used cow tail and cow leg for this soup. Now we're going in with it. We're just going to turn it until everything is combined. And then, like I said, I didn't have enough meat stock. So I'm going to be going in with water. Besties, if you used enough water for your soup, you do not need to add extra water to this. Your meat stock is better and preferable in your soup. Anytime, any day, trust me. So we're just going to set this. We're just going to mix it and allow it to combine and boil. And then we'll come back to it. After combining it, we allow it to boil. It's been boiling now for close to 10 minutes. So I'm going to go in with my seasoning. In my protein, I only used 1 cube, so I'm feeling it's not enough. So I'm still going to add my crayfish. This is the game changer of this soup. Always reserve a little bit of crayfish when you're making your soups. And trust me, you will love the taste. It's so nice. It's so nice. I can't really emphasize on that. I'm going in with my salt and I'm going to give it a very good stir. After stirring it, please test for salt, seasoning, or pepper. If you like it hot, please, by all means, add more pepper to this. But I don't like it hot because of my kids, so I always do it moderately. So you give this a good stir and allow it to boil. So we're going to allow this to boil. Like as you can see, it's really boiling. Our soup is already ready. We're just getting our vegetables ready. And besties, please subscribe to my channel. We are using ugu for this soup and I'm just adding the ugu now. I'm just going to add this in and I'm going to give it a good stir. I'll cover it up just for like 1 minute and then I'll open it up back and give it a good stir. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. As you can see, we have just made an egusi that went to Harvard University. If you want to have that party egusi, you see that restaurant vibe egusi, this is what it is. Like, it's so simple. As far as you just do the timings of the soup and everything, like just like I've taught you now, you will have a very, very delicious soup. What are you going to be pairing this soup with? Are you going to be trying this soup out? Please let me know in the comment section. And like I said, please support my channel. Just support my channel by subscribing, liking, and also sharing this video. Thank you very, very much. And tell me in the comment section what you would like me to cook, the next kind of recipe you would like to see. If there's anything you want me to cook that you don't know how to cook, either soup, sauce, whatever it is, just drop it in the comment section. Like I said, please don't forget to like, share, comment on this on my channel and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.